Railroad. Chiefly U.S., a permanent road consisting of fixed metal rails to drive trains or similar motorized vehicles on. Chiefly U.S., the transportation system comprising such roads and vehicles fitted to travel on the rails, usually with several vehicles connected together in a train. Chiefly U.S., a single, privately or publicly owned property comprising one or more such roads and usually associated assets. Figurative, a procedure conducted in haste without due consideration. Transitive, to transport via railroad. Intransitive, to operate a railroad. Intransitive, to work for a railroad. Intransitive, to travel by railroad. Intransitive, to engage in a hobby pertaining to railroads. Transitive, to manipulate and hasten a procedure, as of formal approval of a law or resolution. Transitive, to convict of a crime by circumventing due process. Transitive, to procedurally bully someone into an unfair agreement. Role-playing games, to force characters to complete a task before allowing the plot to continue. Upholstery, to run fabric horizontally instead of the usual vertically. R A I L R O A D Railroad.